Your Chroma microwave oven has a built-in clock. When set, the clock appears when power supply is on. To set the clock, press Clock Preset. Your oven beeps once and a clock icon is displayed. 0 blinks on the hour's position. You can set 0 to 23 hours. Turn the jog wheel to set the hour to say 10. Press Clock Preset. 2 zeros blink on the minutes display. You can set 0 to 59 minutes. Turn the jog wheel to set the minutes to say 15. Press Stop Clear if you make a mistake while setting the clock. The display returns to 0. Enter the time again. Press Clock Preset again to confirm your entry. The clock icon disappears and the time is set.